Hari Om students. Today we will see how to draw a house diagram using Python program. So this is the code. So let me run this program to see the output. So after executing the code, you can able to see a window in the name Python Turtle Graphics. So here we have drawn the diagram, house diagram, tree and sun. Surprised, right? So by end of this course, I can give assurance that you can able to write the same code to print the same diagram. Let us start with the basics now. Turtle programming in Python. Turtle is a Python feature like drawing board which lets us command the turtle to draw all over it. We can use functions like forward, backward, right, left, which makes the turtle to move around. The road map for executing a turtle program or as follows. First, import the turtle module. Import. Next, create an object for the turtle. Third one, give instructions to the turtle. So here after importing the library turtle, you can able to access the methods and functionalities of the module turtle, and after creating an object you can able to give instructions to the turtle in order to move. Now let us write a Python program to draw square on the drawing board. Turtle. Here we are using idle to write the code. So here the library turtle imported and an object is created for the turtle. Now let us see the output by running this code. So you can able to see a window in the name Python Turtle Graphics. Here you can see the turtle. Now let us give the instructions. Object my underscore pen dot forward. So this makes the turtle to move forward for a length of 100. Let us run the program and see the output. Here you can able to see the line drawn by the turtle and the length of the line is 100. Here we have given second instruction is right. So right within the parenthesis we have mentioned 90. This represents the angle. Now turtle takes right direction with the angle of 90. So let us run this program and see the output. So here you can see the direction. So let us give few more commands here. Object with the instruction forward, and within the parenthesis will be giving the length. So this makes the turtle to move forward with the length of 100. Now let's run the program and see the output. So here you can able to see two lines drawn by the turtle. First one initially forward 100 is the length and it has taken right direction, and here you can see the angle 90 degrees, and again it went forward with the length of 100. Now let's extend the code. As we already know, so in the instruction right and within the parenthesis we mention the angle. And another instruction for forward. Save the program and run the code. So here you can able to see the three sides of the square, and length of all the three sides is 100. As we have given forward and within the parentheses we have mentioned 100. So turtle starts from here, it goes forward and it takes right direction with the angle 90 degrees, and again it goes forward with the length of 100, and again it takes right direction with angle of 90 degrees. Again it goes forward. Let us draw the fourth side of the square. Let us run the program and see the output. So here you can able to see the square box drawn with equal sides using Python program. Let's reduce the length of the code by inserting looping statement. I'll use for loop here. And I am removing remaining instructions, as our target is to draw a square box using Python program. So I have kept the range as 4 and I am giving instruction for the turtle to move forward for a length of 100 and to take right direction with an angle of 90 degrees, and same thing will be repeated 4 times here. Let us see the output by running this code. Let us see the output by running this code. So here you can able to see the square box drawn by the turtle using this code. We can also change the color of the pen. Let us change the color of the pen. Let us go with red color. Now let us see the output by running this code. So here you can able to see the square box drawn by the turtle in red color. Now you people can try to write a Python program to draw the rectangle box on the drawing board. Don't hesitate to try and fail and try to learn from it. Keep learning. Hari Om.